We know that A equals P times e to the RT. We're looking for A, and here's what we know. P equals 20,000, R equals 0.04, and T equals 5. Let's plug these numbers in. That gives us 20,000 times e to the 0.2. Now it's time to use our calculator. I'll type in 20,000, multiply that by e, and take e to the power of 0.2. Look at that, we managed to use all of the calculator skills we learned in this lesson in one go. Now I will just press enter and we'll see what happens. We get $24,428 and, if we round, 6 cents. Grant definitely makes some more money with continuously compounded interest than he did with the other options we checked out.